Now we have a quiz. Please say me the answer for this. Select the code that displays good morning when time is less than 10 and nothing otherwise. Please say me which answer suits for this question. A, B, C, or D. If the time is less than 10, I should display good morning, else I should not display anything. See which code will solve this problem. A, B, C, or D. D. I got one answer as B. We'll see if B is correct. If time is less than, see the first option, if time is less than 10, no action is given. So that is not right, because when time is less than 10, I want to display good morning. So first option is ruled out. Second option, if time is less than 10, I'm displaying good morning and there is no else. So if time is not more than 10 minutes, I'm not displaying anything. So second option is correct. Third option, if time is less than 10, I am displaying good morning and every if statement should have an end. So the second one did not have an end. The third one is having an end. And last one, see here, if and the loop is ending. So time is less than 10, then the loop is doing nothing and it will display good morning always. So I feel the option is C. Let's see if it is correct. Option B might seem correct, but every if must have an end. Please remember that every if written in MATLAB must have a closing end, saying that if else loop has completed. Okay, so for those who have said B, it is actually logically correct, but MATLAB syntax wise B is wrong, only C is going to be correct. Now we are going to use the same thing in an example and see what will happen. See, this is the example of if else if. So if one condition is true, it will execute. If the condition is false, it will execute code 2. And it will come out after both and execute the remaining steps. So that is what is the logic of if else loop. So see here, we have a task here. So this code is given here. A is random of 1. So A will generate a random number between 0 and 1. So every time I run, the A value will be different. See here, A value will generate a random number. Okay, A will have a random number always. You can see the A value is changing. I'm running each time. Okay, modify the script so that variable B is defined as 1 only when A is greater than 1. So how will we write the code? So I'm going to define B in such a way that if A is greater than 1, B will be equal to 1. Else nothing. So I'm going to define variable B only when A is greater than 1. Otherwise, I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to just set some B. We'll see if this is correct. Correct, because then nothing is given about else. If there something is given about else, we can have an else condition, but nothing is given about else. They're saying B is defined only when A is greater than 1. So here A is greater than 1. So here we run the program. A is 0.5. So B value is not shown here. Again, I'm running. A is minus 0.3, B value no. I'll run fully. A is minus 1.2, no B value. A is minus 2.6, no. I'll give disp of B. Yes, and I get an error saying B is undefined because B is inside the loop, right? So only for some condition B will be displayed. Yes, see here A is 2.53 and B value is 1. Okay, so I'm writing a simple if loop saying If some condition is arrived, you are going to set some variable to a particular value. Now see here, if the condition is not satisfied, the script will set the b value to 0. What they are saying is, if a is greater than 1, you are writing b is equal to 1. If a is less than, otherwise, you have to assign b is equal to 0. And here also I am giving this of b. So b can take 0 or 1. So I can verify this code very easily. The a is 0.95, b value is 0. A is minus 0.32, b value is 0. You see a is 1.6305, b value is 1. So I am setting the value of b based on the magnitude of